How to make a post on Instagram. Now in order to make a post on Instagram, just simply open your Instagram app and then you will see this plus button from the top left corner. Tap into that, and after tapping in there, you can select anything that you would like to post from your gallery. Just simply select the image or video which you would like to post, and after that tap to next button from here. Then, after tapping in the next button, you can edit your post by adding music, text, overlays, filter, and also edits. There are adjustment, locks, brightness, contrasts, and all of the other options in order to edit the image that you would like to post. After doing all of this, tap to next button and it will process your post. Now you can select to add audio in your post and tag people. Also, you can add location and also add AI labels if you have used any AI in your post. After that, you can also set up audience and you can share your post on other social media platforms. Then tap to share button and your post will successfully be completed in Instagram, and you can see it by going in your profile. This way you can very easily post on Instagram. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.